Good morning. Welcome back to the Anabolic Kitchen. Everyone, when we think about the times when we were not eating anabolic, there's a few things that I know we miss. Cookies. In fact, I think that a lot of us would even go so far as to say that we miss things like Pizookies, which is fair. However, what if I were to tell you that we could make a skillet cookie that had a great amount of richness and wasn't just something that was based on unsweetened applesauce and Greek yogurt. Something that felt like an actual cookie in its texture, in its composition, and was able to provide you with a lot of protein. Well, like the video and subscribe so you can see more, and stick around because I'm about to show you how we get that done. To make our anabolic Pizookie, we are going to need egg whites, powdered almond butter. You can also substitute in powdered peanut butter and it will be spectacular. No calorie sweetener, both semi-sweet and milk chocolate, no sugar added chocolate chips, vanilla extract, Walden Farms pancake syrup, all-purpose flour, salt, Swerve brown sugar replacement, baking soda, I can't believe it's not butter, the light one egg, and of course, our whey casein blend of protein. I am using Combat cookies and cream because it gives a little bit more of a cookiness in flavor, but any vanilla-based protein will work just fine. Now, if you've already seen the red velvet brownie video, check the card if you haven't, and watch that as soon as you finish this one. We're going to start again by taking 25 grams of our I can't believe it's not butter, measuring that out and throwing it in the microwave for 15 seconds. After it's 15 seconds in the microwave, we are going to add in our sweetener. First, we are going to add in 35 grams of our brown Swerve. We'll then need to mix that into the I can't believe it's not butter. This is the hardest stage of the entire cooking process. Once we have that all mixed in, we're going to add 40 grams of our regular no-calorie sweetener and 20 grams of our Walden Farms pancake syrup. Then we're going to mix all of that together until it's uniform. The next thing we're going to add, and it's a little bit early, is about 1 to 2 grams of baking soda. The amount that you add is going to be completely based on how much lift you want. For me personally, I only added about 1 gram because I don't want a lot of lift with my Pizookie. Once we've gotten that mixed in, we're going to throw in about 1 gram of salt and about 8 grams of our vanilla extract. The next thing we need to do is crack in our egg and add just 25 grams of egg whites. Then we'll mix all of that together before we start to add in our big powder ingredients. The next thing for us to add is our 28 grams of powdered almond butter and 15 grams of all-purpose flour. The last thing we need to add before our chocolate chips is 40 grams of our protein powder of choice. And then we just have to mix all of that together thoroughly and it's ready for chocolate chips. Now it's time for us to add our chocolate chips. We are going to add 20 grams each of our no sugar added milk chocolate and our no sugar added semi-sweet. I like to have the variety of chocolate in there, and I want to make sure that every single bite is filled with melty chocolate bits. If you want to cut down on calories, you can always use half as much. Now it's ready to get mixed together and put in our skillet. Before we load it up, of course, we're going to first hit it with our nonstick spray. Then we're going to load up our skillet with all of our batter. Now we just have to throw it into our oven, which has been preheated to 325 degrees on convection mode for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll see you then. Alright, so this is what it looks like, everyone, after just 15 minutes in the oven. You can see we got a nice golden brown top. It's a little bit floofy right now, but that's actually going to come down a bit over the next couple minutes as it cools, and then we're going to put our ice cream on top and get to eat. All right, so everyone, now it's about that time. We're going to put our ice cream on top. I am going to have it on the scale so that I can have a negative reading and take out 138 grams. So everyone, the ice cream's not just gonna stay frozen, so I gotta eat this pretty quick. So I'll see you over at the testing station. All right, everyone, so here we are. Oh, you cannot believe how excited I am. So, you can see, I guess you can't see, but, so it's fluffy, but still dense. Cheers. So, by having that brown sugar replacement, you really, and I guess the pancake syrup on top of it with the maple flavoring, but that combination really makes it so that you get that full cookie experience that's so often missing from a lot of these anabolic recipes for a cookie. You could also take this dough and just put it out onto a cookie sheet and make a whole bunch of chocolate chip cookies, and that would do great. Let me get another bite here with that ice cream. Ooh, look at the chocolate chips. So many chocolate chips in here. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Make yourself this cookie. Tag me on Instagram in the story so I know when you post it, and I'll reshare your post. All right, let me know how it is. And don't forget to smash on that like button and hit subscribe. Share the video out with your friends so that this channel can continue to grow. We're almost at 200 subscribers, so keep it going, all right? And until the next one, always remember to stay worthy.